In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color a database in Notion. If you want to make your Notion database easier to scan and more visually organized, adding color rules is a great way to do it. This is especially helpful when you want important items to stand out right away, like completed tasks, high-priority entries, or anything that needs attention. Notion lets you do this with a feature called conditional color. And once you know where to find it, the setup is very simple. To get started, open the database view you want to customize. In the top right corner of that database, look next to the blue New button. This is where you'll access the view options and settings connected to that specific database layout. Make sure you are inside the correct view before continuing, since color settings can affect how information appears in that view. From there, open the menu and scroll down until you see Conditional Color. Select it to open the Color Customization tool. This is the area where you'll create rules that tell Notion when to apply color to your database entries. Once the Conditional Color panel is open, click New Color Setting or Add, depending on the version of the interface you see. This creates a new rule. Think of each rule as an instruction for Notion, telling it what to look for and how to highlight it. Next, choose the database property you want to target. This could be something like status, select, tag, checkbox, or date. The property you choose should match the kind of information you want to highlight. For example, if you want completed tasks to stand out, you'd choose the status property. If you want to emphasize urgent items, you might choose a priority or tag field instead. After selecting the property, set the rule logic. This is where you define the condition that needs to be true before the color appears. For example, you might choose a rule like status is done or priority is high. The idea is to create a clear connection between the value in the database and the visual cue you want to apply. Choose a background shade that makes matching entries easy to notice without making the database feel overwhelming. As soon as you select the color, it will be applied instantly to any entries that meet the rule you created. That's all it takes to color a database in Notion. Once you start using conditional colors, your database becomes much easier to read at a glance and much more efficient to manage. Thanks for watching.